How to hide messages in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to hide the messages in Telegram, all you have to do is launch the Telegram application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now after logging into your account, you just have to make a long press on the account or the group or the chat that you want to hide. So make a long press over here and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Then here you'll be able to see three options: archive, mark as unread, and delete from cache. Now you just have to select on archive, and there you go. You have hidden and the messages in the Telegram. Now if you want to get it back and unarchive this message on Telegram, all you have to do is just scroll down the screen and here you'll be able to see the archive chats. Tap on it and then tap on the chat that you want to unarchive or unhide, and then make a long press and then tap on three dotted lines and tap on unarchive, and here you'll be able to see your messages as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.